You're stupid.
I will smack your ass with this, you son of a bitch. I got 2.5 wieners and I'm not afraid to use them.
I don't. Okay.
This one's crispy. This is a crispy wiener. 2 buns and a wiener. Okay, kill it. What's going on? Kill it. Kill it. Just
Okay.
kill it. Son of a bitch, turn it off.
Okay, sorry. I wasn't recording, like I really wasn't.
Are you recording it now?
Yeah.
No, redo it. Because I just gotta go straight. She insults me. I'm gonna be, what? I say it loud, you son of a bitch. And then just go, oh, okay. And then it goes louder. And then I say my lines. Delete it.